If you start working out with Praveen, I don't know how you guys manage it. That's what we get it. But if you manage it, he will for sure give you results.
Hi guys, warm welcome. I am Maahek Nair. Thank you for watching Bodyprocoach Nutrition. Today I'm going to be doing a simple dessert with only 4 ingredients. That's called a frozen blueberry sundae. Let's quickly go and see. Almond milk unsweetened. We can also opt for coconut milk. Then I have blueberries here. Next I have is a whole avocado. And last I have my magic leaf stevia sweetener. So first we take our blender. To that we add about half a cup of milk. Next I'm going to add is few blueberries. Next we have is our avocado. And lastly I have my magic leaf stevia going into the same. And our blueberry ice cream is ready to go into the container. Last I'm going to top it up with some blueberries and then mix this well. Put it into the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Our frozen blueberry sundae is ready. Healthy, delicious, guilt-free. And now lastly, I'm gonna top it up with some fresh blueberries. Our frozen blueberry sundae is ready. It is a great healthy dessert, especially for someone who's on a ketogenic diet and don't want to come out of the ketogenic diet completely. Also somebody who's really craving for sweet but can settle for this. Blueberry sundae is an excellent source of antioxidant. It also helps you to control blood sugar levels. It's a great and easy option which can be made at home and super quick. Thank you so much. Request you to please hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all my videos. Thank you and lots of love.